When does registration open for you? Here's how you can check with a few easy steps. Go to myontariotechu.ca and click Current Students. Scroll all the way down and go to Student Profile. This is where you can see all of your personal information. And we're going to click Holds and GPA. This is where you're going to find a very important number, the overall earned hours. For me, that's 87 hours. So check what this number is for you. Then we're going to go to registrar.ontariotechu.ca, and here we're going to click Registration, then Registration Start Dates. The exact date and time that registration opens depends on your earned hours. For me, that was 87 hours, so we're going to look through the schedule. My registration is going to open on Wednesday, July 3rd at 9 a.m. If you are a first-year student, your hours are going to be between 0 and 23, so your registration is going to depend on your last name. So mark your calendars so you can go register for classes as soon as they're open for you, and follow us for more tutorials just like this one.